Guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Ify again, and I am back again with another video. Guys, forgive me, this video is shaking. That's because I am holding my tripod in my hands. So today's video, first of all, I'm not taking my shower. I woke up not too long ago and I am very hungry. I want to make breakfast, but I've already brushed my teeth, and it's not even like this is not the first time. Most times I don't take my showers before I eat breakfast, especially if I am very hungry. I don't bother taking my shower. I'll just go ahead, brush my teeth, and then take my breakfast before any other thing. And today is one of those days, so I am just going to make breakfast. I want to make akara and custard. Akara is the Nigerian breakfast. Yeah, with the custard. So I'm just going to make it. So basically, today's video is going to be a cook and eat with me video. I'm going to make it with you guys, and I'm also going to eat it with you guys. Yeah, that's just the purpose for today's video. And yeah, is any other thing? No. So it's my hair. I want to wash it today, but that will be after everything because this hair, the hair care item that I ordered, they have not arrived. So while I wait for them, I'll just be taking care of the hair with the things I have now. Just wash it with my shampoo and moisturize it. That's all for now. So guys, let's just get into this video. Yeah, and this is not tutorial on how to make akara. This is just a cook and eat with me video. Is not tutorial on how to cook. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the akara. I've already blended my beans. Remember the beans that I made video the other day? Yeah, so I've already blended it, and I'll just mix things up and then prepare the akara. I will do a proper video on how to make akara. Yeah, but for now, let's get into this one, okay? Because I'm talking too much. So guys, we are through with the breakfast. We are through with the preparing of the meal. I don't know if this thing can see it very well. Can you see? Look here. This is the akara, and this is the custard. So I'm going to add my milk now. I was about to eat before my baby woke up. So no, sorry. Before he woke up, so I want to eat with him because he has not eaten, as you can see. He just woke up. Yeah, we are eating together. So this is how I love my custard. Can you see? Yes, with enough milk, enough thick milk, with my akara. So now, do I give you first? Abi, or mommy should eat first. Yeah? Uh, Guys, this is one of the best breakfasts. Nigerians have been eating this thing since 1980. mm, 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 mm. Now, you want to eat? I'm using my own spoon to give him. And he's eating it. So guys, I can remember when I was in Nigeria. This is our makes sense. No, what can you talk about? Sure. Mm, mm, mm.
S playing on the track.
So back then in Nigeria, when I was, I think in primary and secondary school, so we used to eat this breakfast. Anything that has to do with beans, like moi moi, akara, and the likes, we eat them on Saturdays, that is on weekends. Mm. Mm.
Yeah, yeah.
This akara contains a lot of pepper, but it's good. I remember when I don't used to like pepper, but right now I can eat pepper. Don't put your hands. No, it's just, sit down. Mm. Mm. No. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'm not talking to you, eh? I'm not talking to you. So guys, yes, thank you so much for watching. We are, like you can see, I can't finish this food honestly. I can't finish the food. Obviously, I am through, like you can see what is remaining of the akara. I really tried because Jason didn't eat a lot of akara, just small this thing that he ate, he didn't eat again. So and I couldn't finish the custard as well. God, and I was so hungry when I woke up. But so thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said before, if you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and also on the bell notification button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Nah, say hi, say bye, bye. Yeah, don't touch it. Bye guys. Yeah. No, leave it.